This is Todd with Velocity. We had a client contact us and ask us if we could build a matching K10 and K5 Blazer for him. So you know what we said? Of course! This is a 1970 K5 Blazer. Now on the outside of this truck is sprayed with a beautiful blue and white two-tone. This color is called Bitchin' Blue. It's a deep, rich blue that has a ton of blue metal flake in it that really sparkles in the sunlight. And you'll also notice that instead of K5, it says K32 here. Now the number 32 means something a little special to the client. And he asked us if we could incorporate that into the build. So we did some custom badging on the outside to make that happen. You'll also notice, because this is the Heritage Series, we've got this awesome billet package on the outside with the mirrors and the door handles. There's some other pieces on the inside that we'll touch in a second, but for now, check out the power steps. This K5 Blazer sits on top of a Velocity exclusive Roadster Shop chassis that has a completely re-engineered suspension system from front to rear. Now because these are Restomods, everything up here is completely brand new and modern. We've got a Gen 5 LT1 engine that's pushing 465 horsepower, mated to a 10L80 10-speed transmission. Now the inside of our K5s is where things go to the next level. This dark brown distressed leather with the plaid stitching, custom door panels, custom center console. We've got the power windows in the center. We even have a wireless charging station here. Now we touched on the billet accessory package that goes with the Heritage Series a little bit on the outside. On the inside, we're running this billet armrest and door handle. Now we've also got a billet aluminum steering wheel from Spark Industries that's been hand stitched and wrapped in leather that matches the rest of the interior. We've also got Dakota digital gauges that retain that classic look but upgrade the functionality to be digital. It's got ice-cold air conditioning from Vintage Air AC and touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay that's connected to the backup camera. Now one of the benefits to the K5 Blazer is the amazing amount of room that you have back here. Now of course we've carried the interior all the way back with the same leather and the carpet, but you also get the benefit of having USB and USB-C charge ports for passengers in the rear. In continuation of all the space that you get with the K5s, you've got tons of room back here for anything that you want. Luggage, coolers, beach chairs, you name it, you've got the space for it. This is an absolutely gorgeous example of a K5 Blazer. And if you want to have a custom one built for yourself, visit us at velocityrestorations.com.